Here's how to remove the bright yellow cursor in LDPlayer. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key and E. Navigate to your LDPlayer installation folder. By default, this is usually under Program Files or Program Files x86 on your main drive, or wherever you chose during a custom installation. You can also type LDPlayer into the address bar to jump there faster. Inside the LDPlayer folder, open the subfolder named Res. This stores the resource files the emulator uses, including the cursor file that creates the yellow highlight. Find the cursor file inside, often with a .cur or .ani extension, and named something like cursor or mouse. Select it and delete it, confirming any administrator permission prompt that appears. For safety, you can copy the file elsewhere first as a backup, in case you ever want the yellow cursor back. If the file refuses to delete, make sure LDPlayer is completely closed first, since open programs can lock files in use. Once deleted, reopen LDPlayer and your regular Windows pointer will appear instead of the yellow cursor. If the change does not show up immediately, close and relaunch the emulator, or restart your PC if needed. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step-by-Click.